Hello friends, I Tejinder Kaur welcome you all to the new show of Shakti, the power of a woman. Power doesn't have to be on such a big scale for powerful things to occur. Within your own home, you can be powerful as a woman, as a mother, influencing your children's life. In this new show of Shakti, I am going to introduce you to a great Indian woman achiever who has evolved with the evolution of society and changed the thought process of people. Today, my Shakti is Priya Tandon. Priya ji, I welcome you to our show Shakti, the power of a woman.
Thank you, G, for having me here. I'm really happy to see you.
Thank you. ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦੀ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਡਾਈਵਰਸ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਫੀਲਡ ਆਪਨੇ BCom ऑनर्स LLB member of National Stock Exchange, you're a writer, you're an artist, you're a blogger, lyricist, homemaker and a vice president of Competent Foundation. ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿੱਟ ਹੋਈਆਂ?
Oh God, yes. So I went to Carmel Convent School. Let's begin at the beginning. I went to Carmel Convent School and thereafter I was in GCG for 1 year.
Right.
उस समय prep होती थी, which is now +2.
जी.
And thereafter I did BCom at what was called then the Government College for Men. Now it is called Government College Chandigarh. And interestingly, there was no BCom in GCG.
Okay.
So the men's college had a co-ed commerce department.
Okay.
And we were just a handful of girls amongst a lot of boys. So I studied there for 3 years. I did BCom there. And later I did law at Punjab University.
Wow.
Yeah.
ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਹ ਲੈਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਜੀ has got her education in a very diverse field. Priya ji, ਤੁਸੀਂ BCom ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ LLB. After LLB you also did National Stock Exchange. You are a member of National Stock Exchange. ਇਹ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਤੇ what is the connection between the two?
Yeah, so I was still studying law when I got engaged and then I got married to Sanjay Tandon.
Ji.
And he had a CA practice.
Okay.
And since I had done BCom, I got into office administration with him.
Okay.
And we worked together for a number of years.
Right.
So somewhere down the line, we got the opportunity to enter into the stock market. Then I took the exam for Ludhiana Stock Exchange first of all.
Ji.
उस वक्त जो SEBI organization थी, it was very new.
Ji.
That time the SEBI had released one book which you had to appear for the exam on that.
Okay.
And I wrote that exam and I surprised myself. I stood 7th.
Wow.
In that. So I became member of Ludhiana Stock Exchange.
Right.
And then from there we took off. Then I got the membership of National Stock Exchange. So we're on it. We have very good partners.
Right.
So mostly they look after the work now because I bowed out of the active part of the work some years ago because
Right.
other things in my life took the forefront.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Priya ji, ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ stock exchange ਦੀ. It's not a women's area.
Yes, it is not
How
a
did
women's
you?
area.
Yeah. How did you feel when you went there, being the only women or a few women?
So I basically never went to the floor.
Ji.
We always did the work online, and but it was not something that I was able to sustain for too long.
Ji.
So as I said before, our partner only looked after it.
Right.
I was doing the back end work, but now I'm mostly out of it. It stays in my name.
Okay.
But I'm not actively
You're not
involved
active.
in the day-to-day activity.
Overall, you are monitoring.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Priya ji, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ writer ਵੀ ਹੋ, artist ਵੀ ਹੋ, blogger ਵੀ ਹੋ. Tell me something about it. How did you go into that line?
So, about the artist part, I can say that right from my childhood, I was very fond of drawing and painting. And although I received no formal education on it, but as a hobby, I pursued it and I took some hobby classes.
जी.
My father was late Justice M.M. Punchi, who retired as Chief Justice of India from Supreme Court.
जी, जी.
And when it was time for me to take admission in college,
Right.
I expressed to him that I want to go to Government College of Art. And he said, no, you have to study. So he made sure that I went to take formal education. As I said, I did BCom and law.
जी.
But my heart was always in art.
Okay.
So I pursued art, and I do some oils, and I do whatever, I earlier used to do fabric painting, but I'm mostly doing oils now.
Oh, it's okay.
And I have done number of big and large pieces.
Okay.
And somewhere down the line, I got into writing. And
Before we go into writing,
yeah,
your paintings,
yeah.
what motivates you? Is it the surrounding or something which comes to your mind, maybe nature or anything?
So basically, I feel very connected to God.
Ji.
And I express through my paintings what I feel inside. So mostly my paintings are spiritual.
Okay.
And I believe that you can express only that which is inside you. So most of my paintings, they talk about your relationship with God,
Right.
how God is omnipresent. And sometimes I write some shloka on them,
Okay.
some Sanskrit shloka that I recite in my daily prayers.
Right.
So I try to put that on canvas, paint
Okay.
something about it, and write that. And I really enjoy that.
Wow, that's really beautiful. Now we come to the writing and the blogging.
Gee.
What do you write on?
So my husband and I together, we have done 7 books.
Okay.
7 books of inspirational short stories. Each book has 52 stories.
Okay.
And they are of 1 or 2 pages each.
Right.
We started with Sunrays for Sunday.
Okay.
We floated this idea that everyone should share a good inspirational thought story with their family.
Okay.
And each story in that book, I personally illustrated with a small sketch.
Okay.
So it was my art and my heart all together in the book. And because that book did so well,
Right.
we did another and yet another.
Okay.
So the first book was called Sunrays for Sunday.
Okay.
And then we did Sunrays from Monday and then Tuesday up to Saturday.
Wow.
So we have done 7 books. Each has 52 stories, 52 sketches,
Right.
and a lot of food for thought.
Wow. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਸਟੋਰੀਆਂ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹੋ, is it that every person should read that story? For maybe it is a Monday story, you read the Monday one. For the Tuesday, you read it on Tuesday. What was your thought process when you did that?
So when we started, we honestly thought that this is going to be one of a kind book.
जी जी.
And Sunday being a holiday, we thought के हफ्ते में एक बारी तो सब फैमिली के साथ एक स्टोरी शेयर कर ही सकते
कर सकते हैं.
बट वो किताब इतनी ज़्यादा उसको रिस्पॉन्स इतना अच्छा मिला कि हमने फिर मंडे ट्यूसडे ऐसे करके 7 बुक्स कंप्लीट करी.
Right.
Now there is no segregation. Any book, any story can be read anytime.
Okay.
So it's not कि वो किसी दिन के साथ ऐसे associated है. So every book has 52 stories. So 52 into 7. We have that many stories. तो अगर आप हर रोज एक स्टोरी भी पढ़ें तो 1 साल का स्टडी मटेरियल आपके पास है.
Awesome. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਮ ਲਿਖਿਆ Sunrays for Monday, Sunrays for Tuesday. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਾਮ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੁਣਿਆ? ਮਤਲਬ it's a very powerful thing, Sunrays.
जी. So जिस वक्त मैं ये बुक्स ये स्टोरीज लिख रही थी
जी.
और हम इनको ईमेल पर एवरी संडे अपने फ्रेंड्स को भेजा करते थे।
जी
तो हमारे एक दोस्त हैं बॉम्बे में, उन्होंने कहा कि इतनी अच्छी स्टोरीज आप ईमेल पे भेजते हो,
जी
लेकिन मेरी मदर जो है वो ईमेल नहीं पढ़ती, उनके लिए आई वांट अ प्रिंट आउट, तो आप मुझे इनको एक बुक में कंपाइल करके दो। तो इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर।
ओके
एंड जिस वक्त हमने वो 52 स्टोरीज को कंपाइल किया, एंड वी वर थिंकिंग कि बुक का नाम क्या रखें,
जी
तो माय सन सजेस्टेड कि आप इसका नाम सनरेज रख लो, बिकॉज वी वर प्लानिंग टू डू इट ऑन संडे। सो सन बेसिकली इज अ symbol of positivity,
जी
कि sun always brings with it some goodness,
जी
and these stories bring goodness. They are based on teachings of our guru भगवान श्री सत्य साईं बाबा।
जी
सो हम कोई भी उनकी एक टीचिंग जो हमें अच्छी लग गई,
जी
वो उसके अराउंड इस स्टोरी को वीव करते हैं।
ओके
एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड कि दे आर इंस्पिरेशनल शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, they are based on values,
जी
जैसे values like respect for elders और honesty
जी
और good manners. You know, I believe कि जैसे एक बच्चे को मेडिसिन खिलानी होती है और बच्चा नहीं खाना चाहता, तो what does the mother do? She puts that medicine into a sugar tablet or she puts it into a banana and she
जी
makes him eat it.
या
So the stories are like that. There is goodness, there is values in the stories. The child can read, and how he will assimilate that value, he will not come to know, but he will assimilate it.
Absolutely.
So it's very quietly done, very subtly done,
Yes.
something which the reader enjoys and also gets to benefit from the value inside.
Awesome. मैं आपके सारे listeners ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇਹ ਬੁక్స్ ਪੜੋ ਔਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁਧਾਰੀਏ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਐਟ ਦ ਐਂਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਡੇ ਰੱਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਹੈ, ਰੱਬ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਏ ਸੀ, ਰੱਬ को ही जाना है। सो ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਸੁਣਾਂਗੇ, ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ, ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਆਲ ਹੈਲਪ ਅਸ। ਅੱਜ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਲੌਗਿੰਗ ਬਾਰੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਹੋਰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿਓ।
Ji, thank you for having me here again. And my blog is called Sunrays.
जी
And I just share that मुझे कुछ ना कुछ लिखने का शौक था, and I wrote my first article in the public space when I lost my father.
ओके
I just wanted to express my emotions about it, about losing my father.
जी
तो मैंने ऐसे कुछ लिखा और मैंने ट्रिब्यून के एडिटर को भेज दिया,
जी
और साथ में मैंने मैसेज लिखा कि इफ़ यू कैन पब्लिश इट। तो ही गेव मी अ स्पेस ऑन द op-ed पेज,
जी
which was my first publication, and it was so widely appreciated
जी
कि मुझे शायद उस एक आर्टिकल के ऊपर 2000 प्लस कॉल्स या मैसेजेस आए होंगे कि
Wow.
what have you written, कि you have written the emotions of a daughter from all of us.
वाह
It was a very potent time for me,
जी
and that started my writing journey in the public space, क्योंकि मैंने
Okay.
आपसे बताया कि हमने 7 books पहले लिखी थी।
जी
Then I started writing on anything that touched my heart. जैसे हम suppose we went to Somnath Mandir, I wrote about my experience there. Or
Okay.
if we went for a holiday somewhere, I wrote about my experience there. तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ जो भी मेरी लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं, तो मैं उनके बारे में लिखती रहती थी। कभी मेरे आर्टिकल्स ट्रिब्यून में, कभी हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में पब्लिश होते रहे।
जी
Then about 1.5 years back, I got the opportunity to have a column in Hindustan Times.
राइट
So presently मेरा twice a month Sunday read Hindustan Times में article होता है, which is also called Sunrays. That is the name of my column.
ओके
And my genre is Indian culture and ethos.
ओके
Because I honestly feel कि जो हमारा youth है खासकर,
जी
and many of us in my generation also do not know about our culture. They do not know about our scriptures.
Okay.
और इसमें किसकी गलती हम निकाल सकते हैं? हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम से भगवान जी को तो बिल्कुल निकाल के बाहर ही रख दिया गया, और हमारे घरों में भी जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो भगवान की बात बच्चों से नहीं करते। इसलिए बच्चों को कुछ हमारी कल्चर के बारे में, हमारे रिलीजन के बारे में, देखो इंडिया इज अ कंट्री ऑफ सो मेनी रिलीजन्स,
Yes.
but only if we tell our children will they know. So I got this opportunity to write in Hindustan Times, so I tried to write about Indian culture, और जो भी अपकमिंग फेस्टिवल होता है मैं उसके बारे में लिखती हूँ।
Okay.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल अक्षय तृतीया इज ऑन May 10th,
जी.
and Akshay Tritiya is supposed to be one of the most auspicious days of the year. It is a day when one can start something new.
Okay.
A lot of people think it is only a day to buy gold, but that's not the thing. Akshay means endless, eternal.
Okay.
And you can start something as small as a good habit also, and that becomes Akshay. So my latest article, which was published in HT, was on the meaning of Akshay Tritiya.
Okay.
And similarly, I get the opportunity to publish in Tribune. About once in a month I get the opportunity. तो Tribune का middle मेरे नाम से होता है, Priya
जी.
S. Tandal.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Priya ji, awesome your writing, and I'm sure जो पढ़ते हैं उनको फ़ायदा तो होता ही है after you read a good blog or you read an article which is very nice. You are a mother and a homemaker. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਹੈ as a mother? As I believe that a Mother's Day is not to be celebrated just on one day. A Mother's Day is all the days in the year.
जी, I'm absolutely with you on that. मेरे 3 बेटे हैं
जी.
और मेरे तीनों बेटे मैरिड हैं,
जी.
and my girls, I call them my daughters in love, because I don't have a daughter but I have 3 daughters in love.
जी.
और मेरा ये मानना है कि a woman plays many roles, as a daughter,
जी.
as a sister, as a mother, as a wife, and then as a grandmother, etc.
जी.
लेकिन जो मदर का मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, मोस्ट पोटेंट रोल है एक औरत का, दैट
जी.
इज एज अ मदर. मदरहुड रियली मेक्स अ वुमन कंप्लीट.
जी.
एंड मैंने आपसे शेयर किया पहले कि मैं I took a back seat in the business that I was looking after.
जी.
That is because I wanted to be a very good mother. So I have given my best to my children.
जी.
And maybe I lost out on business opportunities, but मुझे उसकी कोई regret नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं जब देखती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे citizens हैं of the country,
जी.
and they have very good values.
जी.
So I just feel very happy and I'm very satisfied. I'm a very satisfied mother.
Awesome.
Yeah.
ਵੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪਦੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਖੜ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ, ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਿਖ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਅੱਛੇ ਸੰਸਕਾਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ, I feel that a mother or parents बहुत गर्व ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੇ.
जी बिल्कुल. मुझे भी बहुत गर्व है कि हमारे बच्चे हमारे लिए तो जो करते हैं, बट अपने अपने प्रोफेशन में, अपने अपने स्फीयर में
जी.
दे आर डूइंग वेरी गुड वर्क, और वो दे they live up to the values that we have instilled in them.
जी.
It is very easy to sway away from honesty and integrity,
जी.
but they hold their ground, and for that I am really proud of them.
Awesome, awesome. Priya ji, you are a very powerful woman, I would say. You are a Shakti. आपके thought process में what is Shakti?
Well, Shakti for me is half of Ardhanarishwar.
जी.
Shiva Shakti together
जी.
is Ardhanarishwar. So 50-50. Shakti is 50% of Ardhanarishwar, and that's a very strong woman.
जी.
I really feel that women have a lot of strength in them.
जी.
जिस समय भगवान ने चुना कि औरत ही बच्चे को जन्म दे सकती है,
जी.
और जो स्ट्रेंथ औरत को भगवान ने दी, that is something God chose us for it, right?
जी
So I feel that a woman with all the strength that God gave her does a lot for the family. और खासकर की जो हाउसवाइफ होती है
जी
उनका काम बहुत मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन उनको कभी कोई क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता उस चीज़ का. इट्स अ लिटिल सैड इन आवर सोसाइटी कि सिर्फ वर्किंग वुमन को ही क्रेडिट मिलता है और हाउसवाइफ को नहीं मिलता. बट आई थिंक ऑल women एज शक्ति,
जी
they manage a lot of things. They are unsung heroes
जी.
and I salute them because मैं भी बहुत देर तक, जिस समय मैं I took a back seat from the work,
जी
I have looked after my home and my children, but that doesn't mean that I was idle. I have given strength and character to my children. I have made a home.
जी
एक हाउस को होम बनाने के लिए एक औरत की
औरत
शक्ति
का,
की जरूरत
absolutely,
होती है.
बिल्कुल.
So we have done that and I think it's the best thing a woman can do, to believe in herself that I have the divine power in me, the divine power of Shakti, and I can do whatever I think I want to do. Whatever I want to do, I can do it.
Absolutely, absolutely. ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹੀਏ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਿਜ਼ੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, you the whole day you have so much to do. How do you de-stress yourself?
I de-stress with my granddaughters.
Okay.
Yes, we have 3 baby girls in the house,
Okay.
and I just love playing with them. So that is my, they are my, what should I say? I just relax with them. And उसके अलावा मुझे भजन सुनने का बहुत शौक है.
जी
तो मैं बस कुछ थोड़ा सा लगा लेती हूँ एंड बस उसके साथ मेरा मन अच्छा हो जाता है एंड आई
so nice,
रिलैक्स.
so nice. ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਜੀ ਆਪ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਿਸਨਰਸ ਨੂੰ?
आज की डेट में if there is the position in the society for women
जी
is the best that has ever been, because the present government, the number of things they have done for women, I don't think anybody ever did before. One thing that really touched my heart
जी
is that we did not have toilets in the villages
Ji.
for women.
Ji.
Basically, there were no toilets, and close to 12 crore toilets were made. And I remember recently we went to one village and there was a small room. उसके बाहर लिखा हुआ था इज्जत का घर, और हमने पूछा कि ये what is this? And one young girl said, this is a toilet. ये हमको हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने दिया है, and they have written outside it इज्जत का घर. It just touched my heart कि at this time can we ever think to be in a house which has no toilet? And nobody before this ever thought of this, and now all the girls, all the young girls, all the women, they have a toilet in their village. It's a
Ji.
great thing. In the same way, the gas cylinders that have been given to the women,
जी
there are so many schemes for their health, for their insurance. There is a lot. I cannot possibly even count them. But ऐसा मेरा मानना है कि जितनी इज्जत आज की डेट में हमारे समाज में एक औरत को दी जा रही है, वो पहले नहीं थी. आज हमारी औरत जो है वो सुरक्षित है. शी फील्स कि मेरा भी कोई वजूद है. जो पहले कहते थे ना कि औरतें हमेशा पीछे रहती हैं, आज वो चीज़ नहीं है.
जी
आज औरत अपना आदमी के साथ बराबर होके चल रही है. So the opportunity has been given. It's a great time for women, and I really feel that maybe this was long overdue, and now women have got their due, and all the best to them. All the best to us all.
absolutely, absolutely. Priyaji, thank you so much for coming to my show, Shakti, the Power of a Woman.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you for having me here and letting me share my thoughts. It's my honor to be here. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you, thank you.